How to Be Present-Minded, the Art of Living in the Now. Have you ever caught yourself overthinking the past or worrying about the future? You're not alone. Our minds are wired to wander, but this constant mental time travel often robs us of the only thing that truly exists, the present moment. Being present isn't just a buzzword. It's a life-changing practice supported by psychology, philosophy, and neuroscience. Today we'll explore how you can train your mind to be fully engaged in the now and unlock the power of presence. Modern neuroscience reveals that an overactive default mode network in our brain is responsible for mind wandering. Studies indicate that excessive mind wandering is linked to stress, anxiety, and even depression. However, mindfulness and presence deactivate the default mode network while strengthening the prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain responsible for focus, awareness, and decision-making. A famous Harvard study found that people are happiest when they're fully engaged in whatever they're doing, even during simple tasks. In contrast, those who let their minds drift report lower levels of happiness. So, how do we train ourselves to stay anchored in the present? Now, let's explore some practical strategies to help us stay present and fully engaged in our daily lives. These methods are simple yet powerful, and they can make a significant difference in how we experience each moment. First, master your breath. The breath is always in the present. When your mind drifts, return to your inhale and exhale. Try the 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, calming the mind. Next, engage your senses fully. Ask yourself, what do I see, hear, smell, taste, and feel right now? Tuning into your senses creates instant presence. The power of single tasking. Research shows that multitasking reduces efficiency and increases stress. Instead, immerse yourself fully in one task at a time, whether it's eating, working, or talking to a loved one. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. When overwhelmed, try this. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. This technique quickly grounds you in the moment. Let go of what you can't control. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus wisely said, we suffer not from events in our lives, but from our judgments about them. Accept that you cannot control everything, only your reactions and mindset. Eastern philosophies like Zen Buddhism emphasize that suffering stems from attachment to the past and future. The only way to find peace is by fully embracing the now. Lao Tzu said, if you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Existentialist thinkers like Heidegger and Kierkegaard also stress that true authenticity comes from embracing life as it unfolds, rather than escaping into distractions or illusions of certainty. The beauty of the present moment lies in its simplicity and truth. When we let go of the past and stop worrying about the future, we can finally appreciate the world around us as it truly is. This is where genuine happiness and peace reside. Being present isn't just about mindfulness exercises, it's about appreciating the simple, beautiful moments that life offers. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, truly listen when someone speaks, savor the taste of your morning coffee, and immerse yourself fully in moments of joy and even sadness. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward presence and mindfulness. The present moment is a gift. It's the only thing that truly exists. By practicing awareness, releasing distractions, and embracing the now, we unlock a richer, more fulfilling life. So take a deep breath, feel the air around you, and ask yourself, what is happening right now? Because this moment is all you truly have. Like, share and subscribe for more mindful living content.